Back in front of me is a Samsung Galaxy S20, and today I'll show you how to transfer files. This will allow you to transfer files from the device itself, an SD card, or vice versa. To get started, open the File Manager, My Files. You'll see internal storage and the SD card. My files are located on internal storage. I'll use a couple photos as an example. Photos or videos captured with the device are always under DCIM. Pictures contain screenshots, and the download folder has anything downloaded on the device. Anything else is usually placed there by the user, so you should know if it's there. Go into DCIM, where I have some photos and a video. To select, hold it and tap additional ones, or select an entire folder to select everything inside. Once selected, you have two options: move or copy. Move will remove the files from their current location, while copy creates an additional set. I'll select move and navigate to where I want to move it. I'll move it to the SD card. The DCIM folder is empty on the SD card, so tap move here and you're done. You can see the folder and all three files have been moved, and the original location on internal storage is now empty. That's how you transfer any kind of file between storage and phone, or vice versa. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.